A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of subject English. I hope you all are very fine and staying happy in the present situation. Today we are going to start the subject called English in the 7th class. As you people might be seeing in the 6th class, the content and the grammar part, everything are in the English, in the subject English. So the same structure will be included in the 7th English also. So before starting the lesson, you people might be seeing some of the pre-reading activity. That means about the concept of the lesson. So what is the main idea of the lesson? You people might be seeing in the 6th class. The same here will be included in the 7th class. So before starting the first unit, the first lesson, we shall see one of the pre-reading activity. That pre-reading activity is called a bridging gap activity. So it will build a bridge to understand the concepts very easily in the lessons. So today we shall see the bridging gap activity. Okay. Bridging gap activity. So a bridging gap activity we shall see in the unit 1. So what is a bridging gap activity? So the unit 1, if you see the unit 1, this is the town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse. So here in the lesson, so a pre-reading activity, it will be included with one of the picture. So why the picture is included means to improve the observation skills. Right from the primary classes onwards, you people might be looking into the pictures. So by looking the picture only, you people might be understanding something. So what is there in the picture? Who are there in the picture? What is going on in the picture? That you people might be having. So here also in the bridging gap activity, there will be one of the picture to improve the observation skills, and along with the picture there will be some of the questions to answer them or within yourself, without looking into any other thing, with your own idea, with your own experience only, you should be able to answer those questions. So first of all, if we see the picture of this lesson, of this unit. So first see the picture. By seeing the picture, you should be able to understand every key point from the lesson. So what is going to be happen in the lesson, that will be understanding in the picture itself. So if you look into the picture, there are two pictures in this picture. So one picture is about it is about a village, and another picture, it is about a city or town. So this is one of the difference. So here at the middle there is a line. So that means these two are different pictures. So here, if you see in this picture, so what is the first picture and what is second picture going to tell us? So the first one is, in this picture there is a village, and there is a city or town, city or town. So this is the first difference you should able to identify. This is the first difference. So the next difference. So what is the difference? So by looking into these two pictures, so what is your idea before looking into the questions? What is your idea? So which place is very happy to live, very pleasant to live? You should have some idea. So in which place you people are living right now? So in which place you people gave birth? So like that you should able to realize, and you should able to understand the more and more answers. So by looking into this picture, so generally every people will think that in the villages only the life is very happy and very peaceful, because there won't be any traffic sounds, there won't be any extra works, like that we will think. But if we come by coming to the city or town, there will be more traffic, more pollution, so more number of industries will be, like that. Like that there will we will have one of the conclusion. So like that there will be some differences. So this is about the picture. Now go on with the questions. So what are the questions given in this? So the first question, write the differences you notice between the things you see in the two pictures. Write the differences. So what are the differences you might be noticing between the things you see in the pictures? So first of all, what are the things are there? So the first one, so the first answer. So write the differences you notice. What are the differences? First of all, buildings. So in the villages what will be? In the villages some huts or else small buildings will be, okay, like this huts and small buildings will be there in the villages. So in the today's generation, in the villages also buildings are there, okay, some people might be building, okay, but in the city and towns there will be apartments, buildings will be, okay, 3-floor buildings, 2-floor buildings, like that there will be in the city or town. Next, coming to what is another difference? There will be pollution due to the transportation, less transport. Here in the villages there is a less transport will be. Transport means whatever the vehicles we are using, there will be less transport in the villages. But in the city or towns there will be more transport will be there in the city or towns. Like that again, if we want to see them, means in the villages there will be agricultural lands where we get the rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, like that, all the things. Agricultural lands will be there in the villages. But in the city or towns, in the outside of the city or town there will be agricultural lands, but in the city there won't be agricultural lands. So like this there are some of the differences in the villages and in the towns or cities. So this is a thing about differences. So still there will be so many differences. You observe and you people, by within your own idea, you ask to your elders, parents, brothers, sisters, and you identify the differences. Okay, next, second question. Where do you think life is peaceful and why? Where do you think life is peaceful and why? Okay, life is peaceful. Life is peaceful. Where will be the life peaceful? Where will be the life peaceful? So if you want to see, generally life will be peaceful. Peaceful means very calm and without any tensions or any other things. So life will be peaceful generally in the villages. I think so you people might be knowing. So In the villages only the life will be very much peaceful. Okay, this is about second one. Next, see the third one. Do animals feel the same like you? Do animals feel the same like you? So what we are saying, so life is peaceful in the villages, and in the villages small buildings, less transport, agriculture lands, apartments, buildings, more traffic, like that there are. So does the animals also feel same like us? So in some point of view there might be the animals also feel same, because what is that one? Regarding the transportation, that means pollution. So generally in the villages animals will be roaming where the people are staying, because at that place there won't be any sound pollution. Due to sound pollution, so many animals will be getting affected. So when where the less transport is there, more number of animals will be staying. So that is the reason. So in some cases the animals also feel same like us. So what are those cases means? About the transportation, about the pollution, so agricultural fields. So where the agricultural fields are more, there the animals will be more. So because in some agricultural fields the animals also give very helpful to grow the agricultural fields. Okay, like this. So what is final answer? Animals, in some cases animals will feel same like us, but in some cases they won't feel like us, because they don't have the thinking power like us. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, this is about the three questions. And what is it there? Here one more thing it is given. So oral discourse. So what is this oral discourse? You people see. Talk on the place you like to live. The place you like to live. The place you like to live. So oral discourse is given as the place you like to live. The place you like to live. So about this one you should able to give a discourse, oral discourse. Oral discourse means you should able to speak out. So you should able to talk on the place you like to live, a town or a village. So where you people might be like to live. So either in the village or in the city or town. So whatever your interest, you people you write out. So the place I like to live in the village. The place I like to live in the city or town. Because like that you start writing. Today I am giving one of the work to you. So you first of all write down. So here talk on is given, but you first of all write down in the paper. So what is the place I like to live is village. Like that you start, and you write down the reasons why you people like to live there. So that one you should able to write down. Okay, and here substantiate your opinion. Substantiate means to prove that one. That means you should write your own experience. So whatever you have experienced in your village or in your city, that one I like the place I like to live in the live is village, because there I will see so many fields like that. In my experience right from my childhood, I am staying in the village, in the city. Like that you should able to start writing. So you write down today the work, substantiate your opinion to prove that your answer is correct. Your answer is correct in your experience. So show to your parents, ask to your parents, elders, everyone. So and write down about your opinion. Okay, in as a homework. So today I am giving one of the homework to you, oral discourse. So first of all write down and speak about that one. Okay, whenever the chance was came. Okay, so this is the homework. So the place you like to live, either city or village, and give reasons. you keep the heading reason and write down your answer. Okay, because there I will be looking so many agriculture fields, I will looking so many less transportation, like that you write down. So that is about the today's homework. So if you done, if you understood this bridging gap activity, then the next class we shall go into the A reading part, of this lesson, whatever the country mouse and the town mouse. Okay.